Hi there! In today's episode, I'm going to share coffee culture from Tbilisi, coffee shops, and my personal recommendations to enjoy your best coffee experience in the city. So if you are a coffee lover person, make sure to watch this episode. Tbilisi has become the city of vibrant and growing coffee culture with many cool, trendy coffee shops in the city with its modern and international influences. Over the decades, there's explosions of new specialty coffee shops that has become favorite spots not only among locals but among foreigners also. The city's coffee culture reflects a mix of international coffee standards with touch of Georgian hospitality. Now let's check a few cool spots and few cool coffee shops together. Specialty coffee shops focusing on high-quality beans, barista skills, and special brewing methods. So delicious coffee here. Keep in mind that most coffee houses in Georgia start opening from 9 a.m. till late hours, and they offer a variety of different coffee options as per your taste. Many of you are asking me about the places where it's possible to work online and space for digital nomads. The comfortable seating and the atmosphere of the coffee shops allows you to peacefully enjoy with your work time in nice atmosphere. The name of this place is called Coffee Lab, and they have several shops around the city. Now I'm going to show you one more coffee shop in Tbilisi. In Old Town, for fresh coffee experience, you can try exploring the chain of Luca Polare that is famous with delicious ice creams also, and they start working from 8 a.m. That is perfect choice for early coffee lovers in the city. Luca Polare has several branches around the country, and they have indoor and outdoor sitting area, very delicious coffee and ice creams, and it's good choice for takeaway option also. When we talk about coffee culture in Georgia, we should not forget about Turkish style coffee that is very popular here. Usually such type of coffee you should expect to be enjoyed at homes or at traditional Georgian restaurants. And my last coffee tip for you for today. Just opposite side of Opera House in Tbilisi, you will find lovely coffee shop that offers not only specialty coffee, but also souvenir at the end. Let's check this place together now. This coffee shop is quite well known among locals as well as foreigners, with its location, with its variety of coffee options, and plus bonus a souvenir at the end. Now I'm getting ready to get my portrait of the cup. Now, wow, it's so interesting. I'm now at the portrait, you see. It's just perfect idea, perfect souvenir, what you can expect from a coffee shop. Merci. So as you see, coffee shops in Tbilisi definitely can offer more than just coffee. It's an art, it's inspiration, it is perfect souvenir what you should expect from a coffee shop to get in the city. I hope you find this video helpful for your upcoming trip to Georgia. Make sure to subscribe the channel to stay updated with other cool videos. Make sure to mention your favorite coffee shops in Tbilisi. See you next time. Bye bye.